everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very common problem that many of us experience, neck pain. Whether you slept in a bad position or have been sitting at your desk for too long, neck pain can be quite debilitating. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you on how to get rid of neck pain. First things first, let's talk about posture. Bad posture can cause a lot of strain on your neck, which can lead to pain. So make sure you're sitting up straight and keeping your shoulders back. And if you're like me and tend to slouch, try placing a pillow or a rolled up towel behind your back for some extra support. Next up, we have foam rolling. Foam rolling is a great way to relieve tension in your neck and upper back. All you need is a foam roller like this one, and you're ready to go. Simply place the foam roller under your neck and gently roll back and forth. You can also move your head from side to side for an extra stretch. Now, let's talk about heat therapy. Applying heat to your neck can help to relax the muscles and relieve pain. You can use a heat pad like this one, or even a hot towel. Just make sure the heat isn't too hot, as you don't want to burn yourself. Last but not least, we have neck stretches. Neck stretches are a great way to release tension in your neck and improve your range of motion. Here's one you can try right now. Tilt your head to one side and hold for 10 seconds, then repeat on the other side. You can also try gently pulling your head forward with your hands for an extra stretch. So there you have it, folks. Some simple and effective ways to get rid of neck pain. Remember, it's important to take breaks and move your neck throughout the day to avoid stiffness and pain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.